Exercise 14a, question 17. Three angles which add up to 180 degree are in the ratio 2:3:7. Find them. Let the angles be 2x, 3x and 7x. Since the ratio is given 2:3:7, we can take the angles be 2x, 3x and 7x. And it is given that the three angles add up to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. It is given in the question. So let us add the values. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree by 12. 112 is 12, remainder 6, 60, 5 12s are 60. So 15 degree is the value of x. Now we have to calculate each angle. First one, 2x is equal to 2 into 15, 30 degree. Second one, 3x, 3 into 15 degree, 45 degree. And the third one, 7x, 7 into 15 degree, 105 degree. Let us check whether the sum is 180 degree or not. Look at this, 0, 8, 1, 180 degree. It is given that the sum must be 180 degree. When we add 30, 45 and 105 degree, we will obtain the sum 180 degree also. Understood this problem? Okay, now question 18. 20% of an angle is the supplement of 60 degree. Find the angle. 20% of an angle. That particular angle we have to calculate. It is given that 20% of that particular angle is supplement of 60 degree. Let us write that condition. 20% of the angle is equal to supplement of 60 degree. Okay, 20% of angle. So let the angle be x. Okay, how can we write 20% of the angle? 20% of x equal to supplement of 60. How can we obtain the supplement of 60? Yes, 180 degree minus 60 degree. 20% in fraction form, 20 out of 100 of, that means into x, is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. Okay, we can cancel out this. 2 5s are 10. So x degree equal to 120 degree. Here this 5 is divided. When we write it to the right side, it will be multiplied. 120 degree into 5. 600 degree, which is the measure of that particular angle. Question 90. 10% of x degree is the complement of 40% of 2x. Find x. Let us write that. 10% of x degree is equal to complement of 40% of 2x. That is 10 by 100 into x. Complement, how can we obtain the complement? Yes, 90 minus 40% of 2x. How can we write that? 40 by 100 into 2x. It's a complement. Okay. Now x by 10 is equal to 90 minus 4x by 5. We can cancel out 0 and 0. 4 and 10. 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. 4 by 5 x. Now we can write this 4x by 5 to the left side and 90 on the right side itself. It's 90 degree minus. 4x by 5, it is subtracted here, no? When we write to the left side, it is plus x by 10 plus 4x by 5. Okay, take the LCM, it's 10. X plus 8x is equal to 90 degree. 5 2s are 10. So 4x into 2, 8x. Okay. What is x plus 8x? 9x by 10 equal 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree into 10 by 9. We have to multiply the reciprocal, no, to the right side. Here 10 is divided. When we write it to the right side, it is multiplied. And multiplied by 9, x multiplied by 9 changes to divided by 9 on right side. 10 into 10, 100 degree. So the required value of the angle is 100 degree. Okay, understood the problem? Now the next one, use the adjacent figure to find angle x and its supplement. This is the diagram and we need to find x. How can we find the x? Look at this diagram. This is a straight line. So what is the measure of straight angle? Yes, straight angle is 180 degree. We can apply that 180 degree. So this straight angle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. The measures are 4x degree, 3x degree, 2x degree and x degree. The sum of the 4 angles should be 180 degree. Okay, now let us add them. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10x. X degree means 1x degree. Okay, 10x degree equal to 180 degree and x is degree is equal to 180 by 10, 18 degree. So the value of x is 18 degree. This is the first part of the question and its supplement also. Supplement of x degree is equal to, how can we obtain the supplement? Yes, 180 minus 18, 162 degree. Understood? Question 21. Find k in each of the given figures. First one I have drawn here and the second is homework. Okay, first one. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 angles in the diagram. This is a point. Okay. How can we obtain the value of k? Yes, angle at a point or angle about a point is 360 degree. We use that to find this value of k. Angle about a point is 360 degree. Okay. Now, angle about a point, this is the particular point. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 angles and this mark shows it is 90 degree. Okay. Now, add the angles and we can equate the sum to 360 degree. That is k minus 15 degree plus 30 degree plus 90 degree plus k plus 150 degree is equal to k plus, here is one more k, then 30 plus 90 plus 150 minus 15 degree. Together we can write 30 degree plus 90 degree plus 150 degree minus 15 degree is equal to 360 degree. K plus k, they are like terms, no? What is k plus k? That is 1k plus 1k, 2k plus Add these values. 90 plus 30, 120. 120 plus 150, 270 minus 15. 255 degree is equal to 360 degree. 2k is equal to 360 degree minus 255. You have to subtract 255. That's equal to 105 degree. Okay, 2k is 105 degree, so k is equal to 105 divided by 2. K is equal to 105 by 2. 52.5 degree. Understood? Do question 23 as homework, and these are the important problems from this exercise. Learn these type problems well. Thank you all. Have a nice day.